Air Defence Radio Network project. To serve the tactical and operational needs of the Turkish Air Force, the Air Defence Radio Network project is an Undersecretary for Defence Industries project and is run by ONUR. Established to control the airspace, command and control centres operate through the connected radio positions. With the radio IP gateways developed by ONUR, the voice, PTT and remote control interfaces of the radios in the radio positions are converted to IP. This way, every control centre, every radio connected to the network becomes operational without the need of any manual process. With ONUR IP-based voice communication system, the existing air-to-air and air-to-ground communications are integrated. The operators can use all of the communication possibilities in the network, free from location dependencies. The IP-based voice communication system developed by ONUR is in use by Turkish Air Forces. With a system on which all of the sources are available on a shared network, the command and control centres has the capability of using the fast and flexible radio transmitting via Turkish Air Force IP network. There is also the possibility for radio users to connect telephone lines and intercom features. Let's examine how an air-to-ground communication is supervised. When a northeast-bound plane is in the transmission range of T1 radio, the operator chooses the required options from the panel in order to send and receive through the T1 radio. The communication is executed successfully.
Roger 5-3 for the 686.
Yankee Tango November, your airways clearance center controlled airspace tracking our present position direct to Maribel. Interim climb initially 4,000.
When the plane is nearly outside the transmission range of T1 radio, the voice quality will decreases and operator continues to communicate using the T2 radio from the panel.
Hey, Grant, g'day, Foster Mike Charlie, taxi RFDS.
Foster Mike Charlie, g'day, David. Ground, taxi RFDS.
Taxi RFDS, Foster Mike Charlie. So, Golf approach airborne, Navy 7.
In addition to select manually, it can be made automatically by selecting the radio with the best signal level.
698 clearance delivery, clear to Hobart, via Gracie, then planned route. Maintain 8,000.
Independent of the type of the radios, with proper clearance, the operators of the command and control centre can connect to and control all the radios integrated in the system. The operators can use all of the available radio and telephone sources through the extended control interface for providing the best communication possibilities. Let's take a look at the components of the IP-based voice communication system in the command and control center. The software-based switching system that the operators require for providing the environment of the voice transmitting needed for the air-to-ground and ground-to-ground communications. Voice recording and playback system which records the air-to-ground and ground-to-ground communications and system entries. Radio assignments and network administration system which is used for monitoring, supervising, modifying the system components and activities, and defining the users and their privileges and assigning the communication sources. The maintenance control terminal, providing the user interfaces for supervising and maintaining the radio network. All the components are funded nationally and have backup compatibility. The IP conversion of voice modules of the radios in radio positions, push-to-talk and remote control signals are made through the RIG200 modules. RIG200 can also convert crypto signals to IP. Let's take a look at the components of the IP-based voice communication system in the radio positions. RIG200S, Modular Radio IP Gateway Chassis with RIG 200 FPGA-based modules. These designs supplies the system with flexibility and an extensive structure. Every system has a maintenance control terminal for monitoring and supervising. Operational and tactical needs can require the command and control center to be mobile. The mobile command and control center designed to service these needs can be transported with two separate impact-proof cabins and is identical to its stationary counterparts in terms of hardware and software. System is designed to be easily transported and instantly activated when needed. It is an operational obligatory for the components which are working cooperatively to use the same exact time information. To provide this, two central time control systems with backup capabilities are used in IP-based voice communication system. This way, all of the time information of the systems and planes are synchronized through these systems. Also, voice signals of Link 16 terminals were converted to IP and made available for all command and control centers, regardless of location. When a communication via Link terminal is needed, it can be provided by selecting the requested Link terminal from the operator panel.
Squawk 1200.
IP-based voice communication system is a national solution developed by Onur for Turkish Air Forces as part of Air Defense Radio Network project.